Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today what we're working on, my brother's Corsa Vxr, we are fitting boost gauges to the Vxr and oil temp as well. Yeah, so what we can do, we're with Manny's hello, social distancing and all that kind of jazz. So yeah,
4 meters apart.
2 meters, 4 meters, and let's show you how to do it, so let's go. Right, that's what we've done. We've opened up the glove box. There is a couple of like hex keys there and there just to pull the glove box out. Then you've got your light switch there. We're going to need to get to like a bung right at the back to obviously run the wiring slash gauges. So let's go.
That's where the oil sensor
Where we're
was.
tapping into?
Right in the back there.
I should be able to see that. Oh,
It's right there.
Wow, you really can't see that, can you? Jeez, I'll have to try and...
I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it?
Kinda not.
Kinda not. It's just right there.
Yeah. Where's that?
Just there.
Yeah, man, I see it. And then that's where you're gonna run the power and
that's where I'm running the boost line through.
Yeah.
And the sensor wire.
That's sweet. Manny, what's that for?
Stick in the arse.
Stick it in your arse. Stop playing about. What's that black stuff for?
It's basically to protect the wire from getting overheated or anything like that.
What is that? Because you offer a quality service?
Yes.
And we look after the customer?
Look after the customer.
Let's go, let's go. Where's this going then?
Basically it's going to be going to the oil temperature sensor.
Yep.
Going around there, around the scope panel, and through that grommet over there.
Right, so we're gonna go. Oh, jeez, it's up there if you can see it. Jeez, I can't even see myself. God damn, see where am I? Wow, literally right there. I think that's where it's gonna come through. I see the hole, but you're just touching it. So pulling her out. Time when start. How much is that, man? Jeez. Right then, so that is us through there, and then that is going to go on to the sensor, which is going to go into there. That's the bolt we're taking out, as I showed you in the picture. So yeah. It's a bit hard to film this from 2 meters away, you know, zoom is like fully in. Oh, it does look wow. Ready. Yo, petrol head Vxr, what you saying, son? Oi. Oh, come on, Manny, you better than that. Look at that. It's professional, but you could have put it under that, man. God's sake. Right, so doing my absolute best to keep a social distancing. I got my mask, so I'm trying to get into shots when I can film and that, but I don't want to get obviously too close and that during this like pandemic and that. I wanna be able to film, but I want to still follow the rules and regulations. So I see there's quite a lot of people that don't actually give a shit, whereas I'm trying my best. You know what I mean? It's either I do this and wear a mask and keep my distance, or just don't film at all, and obviously that means no content. So I'm trying to create space where I can, obviously wear my mask and that. So I'm trying to be responsible doing this as well. So yeah, I'm going to try and video what I can, and let's get on it. So let's go. What are you doing now?
Crimping the...
Is that to connect that lock?
To connect the sensor back.
Oh, is that to that
the
one?
back of the sensor.
Yeah, sweet. You know, I'm quite happy with the quality of this, you know, it's looking Your hands look so sexy, you know that, honestly. Right, can you see where it is? Can you see where it is? It's OEM Plus, that is. Oh man, man's got a whip on that.
Got a whip, mate.
What are you going for?
I'm going for that pipe there.
2 little pipes.
I knew you'd do that. I'm putting it into my mouth like that. I'm going like that.
How much can you get in your mouth, you reckon?
Should I try it now? Should I try it?
4 inches. Well, you're not trying it?
Fuck that.
You scared. Right then, so there's a little bit put on there. Then guessing a T-piece going in there.
Yeah, T-piece is on here, so which will be going on here. And then that will be going.
So that's the original bit, isn't it?
Yeah, what I might do is I might just change that to be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just change that.
Look, just pulling the pipe for the boost gauge through. How much do you want, man?
That's it.
Sound.
That's it, sorry.
Sweet. Right then, so let's give you a little show and tell, just so if you're going to DIY this yourself. The boost gauge has been pushed around the back.
Boost pipe, not boost
Yeah,
gauge.
boost pipe, my bad. So that's that one, and then obviously you've got your sensor for your oil, and it's all been ran nice and neat. Apart from that cable tie, it looks pretty OEM. Then it's actually gone under that. It's gone straight through the grommet down there, which you cannot see. And that's where we are now. So we've got the wiring and the pipe for the gauges. What are you doing now, man?
Don't know. Fucking confused I am. Taking the pillar off.
Don't you sleep on them? Pillows? You don't sleep on pillows? Don't you sleep on them?
On the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you do? Just
You basically just get the screwdriver in between the back.
This light is not helping me at all. So yeah, screwdriver between that clip and it will come straight off. Oh Louis, that's perfect. Yeah. And then these side trim bits just pull off. What do you do? Just get a flathead and pop that out?
Don't know. Just come out.
Yeah, okay. Didn't you have to light? Yeah.
It worked.
It did?
Did. It's a bit tight.
You could use like a coat hanger or something, couldn't you, if you've got something thin enough?
Well, to be fair, I wasn't going to use a grinder.
Yeah. Grinder?
Grinder, yeah. Full grinder, yeah.
Is that the app?
Yeah.
Where you pick up your boys? Right, so cable, gone through the back of the glove box, gone down here. Obviously, CD player.
Stereo.
Yep. It's a CD player though, / stereo.
Oh, is it a CD player?
Can have it. Look, CDs. And there's some hands. Do you want to explain?
So, if you put the key in, you turn it, put it in and turn it.
So it's
Is it on?
yeah.
Key in.
Yeah.
You turn the key.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that that drops down to 0. So if you take the key out, so it's dropped down to 0.
Yeah. Put the key in again.
So put the key in again and turn it.
There
Get
you
12
go.
volts, so take it out.
So you got obviously your earth and you got the power, yeah?
Yeah, earth and power there.
So, right Manny, so piggy bank fuse, just show them what you've done, just so...
So literally that's what I've just done. So piggy banked off the life.
Yeah.
So you got the earth there.
Yeah.
While we'll be going from here straight across.
Right then, so what he's done is, rather than make like a massive circuit, he's wired both like the powers up to the
earth.
to the wire. So he's got that one's going to go to like the boost, that one's going to go to the oil, and then we're going to connect that to the one power, and then it saves having loads of wires running round. So yeah, let's get us through. All wired up, ready to rock. Just putting the pillar in place, and then we should be good to go. let's crank her on. There we go. All on, looking lovely. Oh, it's cold. You don't like that, do you? That's all done here. Anything you want to say before we close the video?
No, not really, no.
No?
No.
Not want to plug anything?
Yeah, plug him on Instagram. R22_Manny. It's going to be up here.
Where are we going to put it?
On the left hand side,
Yeah.
on the top. Alright.
Yo, look at this. This is absolutely sick. He's put lights in his roof. Oi.
We've got green, blue, yellow, pink, white, blue.
That's mint, man.
What's the arrow for?
Yo, I think we need to do a part 2 on this car because it has changed a little bit, especially from what have you installed to make it do that?
I've installed air ride. Everyone shout out to Back Performance. His name's Tom.
I'll link it in the description if anyone wants to know. But yeah, man, that is sick. Right then, guys. I know it's jumped, but I kind of didn't end the video, so I thought, as I'm editing it now, I'm literally just about to upload it. I was like, I haven't finished the video, so I just want to say thank you for Manny for helping us out. If anyone needs any gauges fitting or any mechanical work, he's pretty sound. Even like cutting vents and gauges, and he does loads of stuff. So I'll put him, as you saw, his Instagram there. I'll link him down below, so if any of you want to check him out. I do love doing stuff like hands-on. I kind of have a bit of banter with him, so we have a good relationship where we have a laugh and stuff like that, which I think is good because you can, hopefully you saw in the video and it made you laugh from some of the stuff we say and stuff like that. So it's a bit different when you're working on your own because you can't really have that banter with you, do you know what I mean? So hopefully it made you laugh. Hopefully it was a good step-by-step video so you can see what's going on, that's what I'm all about. Some people go like, what, we're going to fit a bumper, and then next thing you know it's just a time lapse and it's on. I want to be more in depth, so I'll try and make it look as fancy as I can. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. We're on that way to 10k and then 10k, 100k. So yeah, let me know what you thought. Any videos you want to see, let me know. I would like to do stuff like myself, like say get one of your guys' cars down and we do something to it, but it's all confidence. Like, I don't mind doing stuff on my car because I know if I break it I can like either fix it, get it fixed, or it's up to me then. But if I do it on someone else's car and I break it, then I've broke your car. So I'm just a bit, I think it's just a confidence thing. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, smash that notification bell, smash the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. So peace.